Hi everyone! Welcome to Monica's Singapore Kitchen. Today, I'll be sharing with you my top 3 delectable sauces which will elevate one of your most beloved local dishes, the Hainanese chicken rice, to the next level. The first sauce is the chicken rice chili sauce, the second being the ginger spring onion oil sauce, and the third sauce is the black sweet sauce. Come along with me to see how the 3 sauces are prepared. So the first one is the chicken rice chili sauce. So let's have a look at the ingredients required. So we'll start off by looking at our red chilies. So this is just the fresh red chilies, which I've cut into smaller pieces. If you want it to be more hot, you can use bird's eye chili. So this is the garlic. I have cut it into, chop it into rough pieces like that, rough sizes. Over here, I have young ginger, which is cut, roughly. I chose young ginger as it is not so fibrous. It is sweeter, lighter, and less spicy. Then we have got 3 teaspoons of sugar. You adjust the sugar according to your taste. It can be a little bit, sweeter or less sweet according to your taste. So then we have our Chinese rice vinegar. And if you do not have Chinese rice vinegar, you can substitute with white vinegar or apple cider vinegar. You can also use lemon or calamansi juice if you prefer a more mellow sourness instead of a sharp tang in your sauce. Here I've got 2 tablespoons of light soya sauce, a little bit of salt, about half teaspoon of salt, and we have got the chicken stock. So you can use the store-bought chicken stock, which has a little bit of salt added to it, or you can use the stock that you use to cook your chicken. Okay, so now what we need to do is to blend all these ingredients together in no preferred order, starting with the red chilies, then the garlic, the young ginger, the sugar, the vinegar, the light soya sauce, salt, and the chicken stock. So then we'll just have to blend it. Okay. And just like that, our chicken rice chili sauce is ready. So I like it to be watery like that. So this is the right consistency for my chicken rice. So let's put this aside and move on to the second sauce, which is the ginger and spring onion sauce. So the ingredients are the 3 stalks of spring onions, which I have cut into small pieces like this. Then I also have 60 grams of grated ginger. Yep. You can use the old ginger for this because I really need a very strong aroma. Then 1/4 teaspoon of salt. This is 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. I add it for its nutty aroma as well as for the texture. This one is very important. We need to put in 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil for the intense fragrance. So here we have got 70 milliliters of cooking oil. So the first thing we need to do is to mix a few ingredients together first. So let's start by pouring our grated ginger onto our spring onions. Then add in a little bit of salt. Then heat up the oil until it's smoking hot. Then pour it over these ingredients. So it will partially cook it and also it will release the aroma. Then 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil and 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. So mix all these ingredients thoroughly like this. You really can smell. It's so nice and delicious to smell. So just like that, our ginger, spring onion, and oil sauce is ready. Let's move to the third sauce, which is our dark sweet sauce, my favorite sauce. I really like this sauce. So the ingredients are very simple, only 3 ingredients, which are the minced garlic. try to mince it such that every piece is around about the same size so that they brown evenly. This is kicap mayonnaise, otherwise called as sweet dark sauce. This kicap mayonnaise can come in a variety of consistency. Mine is more watery. If yours is a bit thick, you can add a bit of water. So here we have got 70 milliliters of cooking oil to brown the garlic. So let's cook. So what we need is to heat up 70 milliliters of oil. Okay. So once the oil is hot, we are going to pour the garlic over medium heat. Stir fry slowly. It takes a couple of minutes until it becomes golden brown. So keep on stirring. We know that it's ready first by the color. It will look, of course, golden brown. And secondly, you can really detect the aroma, the garlicky aroma that fills up your whole kitchen. Then pour in the kicap mayonnaise. So about 30 seconds, you'll be seeing that your sauce will be bubbling and gargling, lots of bubbles like that. So when that happens, you know that your sauce is ready. So we are going to dip our sauce into a bowl, and just like that, our dark, fragrant sweet sauce is ready. There you go. These are the top 3 sauces that I always rely on to elevate my chicken rice to the next level. This is the chili sauce, chicken rice chili sauce, and it has a zesty, spicy and tangy aroma as well as taste. You can adjust the components of this sauce according to your taste. You can also substitute the red chilies with sriracha sauce. The second sauce is the ginger spring onions oil sauce. The spicy, invigorating aroma, warming and fiery taste from the grated ginger makes this dipping sauce so addictive. The fresh spring onions adds a delightful aromatic element to the sauce. Overall, this sauce has a fresh, mild and sweet aroma. Nice, I like the sauce. Okay, the last but not least, which is my favorite sauce, is the dark, sweet and aromatic sauce. This sauce needs only 3 ingredients, which are easily available in our kitchen. It has a viscous, syrupy and honey consistency, but remember to stir it before drizzling over your chicken. This sauce has a molasses-like flavor and it has a sweet aroma. Nice, this sauce. Yep, it's my favorite, as I said. In my opinion, these 3 sauces that I have carefully prepared help to balance and enhance the chicken rice without overpowering the dish. It makes a good chicken rice excellent. These 3 sauces always paired with piping hot bowl of rice. This rice is infused with wonderful flavors from the chicken stock obtained from cooking the chicken. Please click the link in the description box below for my Hainanese chicken rice video. Any leftover sauces can be stored in the fridge and be used to spice up meals as and when needed. Hope you will give these 3 sauces a try someday. Thanks for stopping by, and as always, happy cooking!